I don't know how many jobs I've had. I can just list. Let's see if I can name a few really quick. Ready? And leasing consultant, machine operator, merchandising. I worked as a lead manager at Target. I worked for Shakey's. I worked for In-N-Out. I even worked as a iPhone repair technician. I also worked as a night shift painter. I did Lyft for a while. And what else did I do? I worked as a maintenance technician and a dental equipment technician, and the list goes on. And so all these jobs that I had, right, started giving me the confidence and perspective to start my own thing, do my own thing. So when you guys watch these videos, I don't want you to feel like, you know what, if that guy can do it, I can do it. Let me just copy everything he's doing and then I'll get the same results. Because reality is, well, let's just be fair. Reality is that could possibly happen. But for the most part, I don't want you to have that mentality. I want you to watch these videos and I want you to analyze me and then pay attention to the results later. The reason I'm saying this, guys, is because it's about the intent. It's about the level of commitment that you have when you're diving into a business, relationship, venture, whatever it is. You guys have to constantly ask yourself, why exactly am I doing this again? Am I doing this just for the simplicity of a side hustle where I can just make an extra grand a month? Is that the case? Because if that's the case, you're probably not going to get very far, and you're probably going to end up selling your booth, and then you're going to realize, man, it's the economy, it's the people, it's the competition. You start blaming every single thing around you, not realizing that it was you. It was you, you're the problem. But you're so naive working a 9 to 5 that you're not used to being an entrepreneur and really grinding it out and not giving up on your dream, on your business journey. Believe me when I say this, guys, because when I did Amazon FBA, this is another thing that I did. I did Amazon FBA and I failed at it. And because I failed at it, it was so much more valuable, because the fact that there are certain things that later on I realized I didn't do that I should have done. But the coolest part of that failure was it became a success, because I used those same lessons, those experiences, from private labeling to contacting suppliers overseas, buying directly from certain suppliers, to ordering in volume and bulk, and then marketing campaigns on. I learned all of that and I applied it to this business. And this is how I am constantly making new content, because of the realization that there's really truly no failure. It's about where you see yourself and how much you are willing to grow by exposing your flaws and disinflating that ego. So I'm not a hardcore salesman, but what I am here to do is give you guys so much insight, so much real information that's going to help you make a decision. That's my job right there, to give you the real experience of what goes on behind the scenes, what you can expect, so that you guys can analyze the rest of the web and videos and other YouTubers, grab all the information you need, do your diligence, and then ask yourselves, what's my step going to be? How am I going to prevent that? How am I going to do that thing a lot better? And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this video is basically telling you guys it's possible, anything is possible, but it's going to take work, originality, creativity, and consistency. But most important, it's going to take commitment, because you have to follow through. And that's one thing, guys, I used to struggle at a lot, especially when I was recording music, because I thought maybe just let me blow up in the music industry. Like, I would have so many unfinished projects. And I'm still learning and I'm going, baby. And we're here and we're on this journey together. And like I said, the value that I want to bring to you is I want to help you make a decision, because even if you don't make a decision, you made a decision not to make a decision. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like. Peace.